Hi, my name is Rob Monkman. I'm the Chief Marketing Officer at Teal Communications, teal.io. At Teal, we help to connect any mission-critical device onto any global network over the air. And what makes this a little bit different is that traditionally, folks like who are here, drones, would have to connect their drones directly onto a tier 1 carrier like AT&T, T-Mobile, or Verizon. So that would require a SIM card for each one of these different network connections. And then more recently, people would utilize solutions that are called mobile virtual network operators. So what that really means in plain English is that you'd get a SIM card, you'd have a different network profile burned onto that SIM card, and that would give you some freedom to switch between networks. But really you're locked in, and most of those solutions are roaming solutions. And so when it comes to beyond visual line of sight drone operations, roaming just doesn't really cut it and isn't as reliable as that direct network connection. So at Teal, what makes us different is that with one SIM card that can be your standard SIM card, or it can be embedded, or we support iSIM, you can now connect onto any global network in 196 countries remotely via a single pane of glass, a dashboard, a platform that you control. And not only that, you can switch between networks as you need to. So what that gives drone operators is absolute failover, ultimate redundancy to know that they're always going to be connected onto the best network possible that's going to give them the lowest latency, the highest throughput, the best performance. So learn more about Teal at teal.io.